Okay, Namaste everyone. Today I am going to repeat one session in a different way, which we have done earlier. Many people may have done it, many people may have missed on this, but I feel it is really important for us to maintain a very good relationships with each other. The following the parikarmas. Parikarmas are like purification of our mind. So today I'm going to talk about the first parikarmas. There are four parikarmas. I'm going to talk about the first one, that is Maitri. So Patanjali says, if you follow these guidelines in maintaining relationships, you're sorted in your life. So here again, I'm repeating this, and this sutra is Maitri Karuna Mudita Upekshana Sukha Dukha Punya Apunya Vishayana भावनातश्चित्त प्रसादनम. So this is सुखी दुखी या पुण्यात्मा या पापात्मा के विषयों में क्रमशः आप मित्रता, दया, आनंद और उपेक्षा की भावना से चित्त को प्रसन्न और स्वच्छ रख सकते हैं. So in relationships, little bit in English I will tell you, in relationships the mind becomes purified by cultivating feelings of friendliness towards those who are happy, compassion for those who are suffering, goodwill towards those who are virtuous, who are doing good karmas, good work, or like they are the people who are doing selfless work, social service, or the spiritual leaders type. And indifference or neutral attitude towards those who are evil souls or those who are doing wrong deeds, like they are thieves, they are robbers or something like that. उनके लिए हमारा एटीट्यूड कैसे होना चाहिए? So जो मैत्री वाला एटीट्यूड हमें, जो सुखी लोग हैं, the people who are very happy, very contented in their life, we should be friendly towards those people. The people who are really suffering in their life, we should be having compassion, करुणा रहना, करुणा वाला भाव हमें उनकी तरफ रहना चाहिए. जो लोग पुण्य का काम कर रहे हैं उनके लिए हमें मुदिता, या we should feel very happy and satisfied with those people. And the people, we should ignore those people, or we should have a neutral attitude towards the people who are doing apunya karma. So we will talk about maitri, that is friendliness. But we should know the difference between friendliness and being a friend with someone. Friendliness is just an attitude. If I am friendly towards you doesn't mean that I am your friend. So this is the difference. When we are friend with someone, we are investing our emotions in that person. And when we are investing our emotions, again, there may be sukha, dukkha, there may be pain and pleasure in that relationship also. But if I'm just being friendly with you, I am not attached with you emotionally. So there will be no ill will, there will be no pleasures and pains in life. So that is why we should be more friendly towards people rather than friends. And if we are friends with people, then that parameters are different, and then that topic is completely different. So we will stick to our friendliness attitude towards the people who are doing good in life. What happens when our normal reaction, the people who are very happy ना, क्या होता है कि हम लोग थोड़े से उनके लिए हमारा बर्ताव कभी-कभी बदल जाता है. We might feel a little resistance or little distance for those people. हम एक distance maintain शायद करें उनके लिए, क्योंकि कहीं हम अपने आप को उनसे कंपेयर करेंगे. शायद वो इतने they are successful, they are why they are happy, probably there's something wrong with me or something like that. So we have to remember that how it is that sometimes when you are not having such good day, you might resist being around other people who are very happy or joyful. ये सबके साथ बहुत बार होगा कि जिस दिन मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ या सब किसी for some reason I am feeling very sad, I might avoid people who are very happy in their life. It is unintentional. It has nothing to do with any other negative attitude towards them or something like that. But it is just like that. We try to distance ourselves with those people. This is not to say that your mind is big 100% negative, but it is the tendency, however small, that we want to be little. We always have to be mindful कि ऐसा अगर हो तो हमें नहीं करना ऐसे. We should not maintain that distance. We should be like, in fact, be kind towards those people, be friendly towards those people. So if you're mindful about this normal tendency of the mind, then you can consciously cultivate an attitude of friendliness and kindness when you are happy around these people. And when you think about them, this conscious act of being mindful or negative tendency of mind, and actively we promote the positive and useful effect on us also. And this brings a, हमें जब हम ऐसे लोगों के आसपास रहते हैं ना, तो हमें एक इनर पीस रहता है, एक हमें आशा की किरणें दिखती है कि if those people can acquire that state, probably I can also one day achieve that state. Probably we can follow their footsteps, that how they have reached to that level. And that's why we need to be around such people. So with this happy people around, we may sometimes feel jealous or inferior. And that is why probably choose people around us who are unhappy. So अनकॉन्शियसली या सबकॉन्शियसली ऐसे हो सकता है कि जब हमारा ऐसा एटीट्यूड हो फ्रेंडली पीपल की तरफ की, I cannot take them, I cannot be near them, probably because they may feel I'm inferior, they may judge me or something like that. So what we do, subconsciously choose people who are inferior to us, or who are more suffering, or who are less happy than us. So we become friendly with such people, unhappy people, because we feel superior with them. We are always afraid of the higher, we always seek the lower. And the more we seek the lower, remember one thing, the more we seek the lower we fall. Because that energy, they pass it on to us. Remember, energy ka sabko pata hai ki how the energy is transferred from one thing to another, one person to another. So if we choose the people lower than us to being friendly with them, so probably they may transfer their energy. It is not that we should ignore the people. It is not that we should push them away. No. But when we are going in a sad state, when we are very sorrowful, that time definitely we should never seek such people. Then that time we should be friendly towards the people who are really very happy and contented in their life. So this is why, because what happens is they pass on the wisdom to us. Higher in wisdom, they are higher in happiness, they are higher in peace, they are much more calm, they are quiet, collected. So always seek the company of higher, because that is the way how we become higher, and that is the way we uplift ourselves with them. And this is possible. This is again possible if we have this Sajjan Sangatya. So we should have this Sangati of Sajjan people, good-hearted people. And therefore we need to develop this attitude of friendliness, maitri towards who are sukhi and happy. So with this, we will start with this thought, keep that thought in mind. We will start our meditation and pranayam. So everyone, keep your back straight, eyes closed, and focus on your breathing. Inhalation and exhalation. Lighten the breath. शांत करिए श्वासों को पहले 9 rounds of अनुलोम करेंगे. एक लेफ्ट हैंड आप चिन्ह मुद्रा में रख सकते हैं, आप अपने लैप पे रख सकते हैं. Use your right hand to close your right nostril. In, 2, 3, 4. Open your right nostril. Out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, last round, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Deep breaths. 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. That is, you have to close all our sense organs. First finger on your eyes, second on your nose, third above your lips, fourth on your chin, and thumbs into your ears. You have to inhale, and while exhaling, you have to take out this humming sound. In, eyes closed, relax. We will invoke our Adi Yogi, Lord Shiva, Mahavatar Babaji, Maharshi Patanjali, all the gurus and yogis and the higher spiritual beings, सारे देवी देवता जिन पे हमें पूरी पूरी श्रद्धा है, हम उन्हें आवाहन करेंगे, उनका आशीर्वाद लेंगे, आंखें बंद रखिए, अपने श्वासों पे पूरा ध्यान रखिए.
Let me tell you about this amazing
Sorry
opportunity.
for this
Right now, they're
advertisement.
having one of their biggest sales of the year, and their courses.
आती हुई श्वास और जाती हुई श्वास पे पूरा ध्यान रखिए. Your back should be straight but relaxed. Both hands should be clasped in each other, locked. सहज भाव से श्वास लीजिए, जबरदस्ती नहीं। Just follow your breath as it goes in and as it comes out. विचार आएंगे, विचार जाएंगे, आप विचारों के पीछे ना भागिए। साक्षी भाव से विचारों को देखिए। Observe your breath, the quality of your breath. श्वास ही आपका सगा है और श्वास ही आपका सखा है। उससे नाता बना कर रखिए। As you inhale, you are energizing your body. And as you exhale, you are relaxing your body. Don't struggle, don't fight with your thoughts. Don't resist them. आप जितना थॉट्स को रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे, विचार उतने ही आते हैं. As you focus on your breaths, the thoughts will settle down. आती हुई श्वास और जाती हुई श्वास पर अपना ध्यान रखिए. अपने मन को भटकने मत दीजिए. A gentle smile on your face. Last 10 minutes. आप जितना श्वासों पे ध्यान रखेंगे उतनी ही वर्तमान में आप रहेंगे. श्वास ही आपके गुरु हैं. Always have respect for your breath. Last 5 minutes. Feel that calmness and peace within you. आपका पूरा ध्यान अपने श्वासों पर है. Last 2 minutes. Stay in this attitude of gratitude. मन ही मन सभी का आभार व्यक्त करिए, जो भी आपके जीवन से जुड़ा हुआ है। We'll say affirmations to ourselves. I am healthy. I am happy. I am satisfied. I am full of life, full of love for myself and for others around me. Thank you, God, for whatever you have given me, also for whatever you have not given me. Now, rub your palms together. Gently keep them on your eyes. With a smile, open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. We will meet now on Wednesday.